Everybody, welcome to this class. In this class we will study switch with character. It is second video of switch. In first class we study introduction of switch, what is switch, how switch works and what are the concept of switch. We learn about syntax of switch, and we did a program switch with integer. Today we will study how switch works with characters. For this we will solve a problem. To see it practically, we have to pass two integers, two numbers and an operator out of these, and we have to calculate these operations with the help of these operators. So let us start. First of all, we will import a package java.util for a scanner class. Now we will take a class switch with character. And here we will take main method. Now we will make an object of scanner class and will create a menu. I think there is no need to create menu. We'll simply ask the user enter two numbers these are the two numbers. Now we have to ask an operator also. We have to ask an operator from user. Enter an operator out of plus out of this operator we have to select one. For this we will take a variable char operator and we'll read this operator as character like this. Now we'll apply switch on this operator. If operator is plus, in that case we'll perform addition operation. In second case we will perform deduct operation, subtractions. In third case we will calculate product. And next we will calculate division result. And at last we will calculate modulus. We will supply a default wrong operator. It is a program of switch with character. First of all, we'll save this program. My computer C drive GDK 1.7 bin. Open command prompt. Go to root directory and open JDK 7. Open bin folder of JDK and compile. Run this program. Now we can look here. It is message enter two number. I enter 2 and 4, and we have to select. We have to enter an operator out of these. So I enter plus. The sum of 2 and 4 is 6. Next I enter 2 and 4, and we have to enter an operator that is minus. So minus 2. 2 minus 4 minus 2. Now I enter 2 and 4, and we have to enter an operator multiplication. 2 4 8. Again I entered 4 and 2, and we have to perform division operation. 2 to 4. And at last I enter 12 and 9, and modulus operation. I supply modulus operator, it will return 3. 9 1 9, 3 will be remainder. If I supplied any other operator like I entered equals to, bracket, in that case, first we have to number, and in case of operator, if I supplied wrong operator, so it will generate a message wrong operator. So like we can do switch with character. In this we have to read an operator as a character, and then we will pass that variable as a switch constant, and will matches to the cases which also are the character case. So like this we can work switch with character. If you have any problem in this program, and if you want to ask something, you can ask me through comment. If this video is helpful for you, you can like this video, can share this video, and can subscribe my channel for more videos of switch and related topics. And if you want to see or learn all these topics in Hindi, I have my second channel. Over there you will find all these tutorial in Hindi. Link of that channel is present under the description of all videos. You can look all those tutorials with the help of that link. Thanks for watching.